Welcome to my course, The Ultimate Hands-On Hadoop, Tame Your Big Data. My name is Frank Kane and I'm your instructor. I spent almost a decade as a senior engineer and a senior manager at Amazon.com and IMDb.com, where I helped create systems such as product recommendations, people who bought this also bought, and much more. Hadoop is a powerful tool for transforming and analyzing massive datasets on a cluster of computers, but it consists of hundreds of distinct technologies, and understanding how they fit together can be intimidating. At the end of this course, you'll understand the major components of the Hadoop ecosystem and learn how to fit them together with lots of hands-on activities and exercises you can run right on your own PC at home. We'll install a virtual machine on your desktop that lets us get our hands dirty with over 25 technologies related to Hadoop and get you comfortable with each one. We'll import and export data into both relational and non-relational data stores, analyze them with SQL-like queries using Hadoop, write real working programs with MapReduce, Pig, and Spark, and design some real-world systems using what we've learned. I designed this course for a wide range of people. The activities in this course range from using web-based UIs to using command line interfaces to writing real programs in Python and Scala. So whether you want a high-level understanding of Hadoop or you want to dive deep into programming it, you'll find what you need here. If you work in a company that has big data or want to work at one, it's hard to imagine a better use of your time than learning about Hadoop. Let me show you how it all works. I'll see you in the course.